awesome. You will all be assigned to the flight crew color gold. Remember the color gold and head on down, please. Gold. Gold. Right here in the circle.
Have a look around and have a see what's all green out there.
Gold, gold, right, gold. First you're on the right, friends. First you're on the right.
Red. Chill right there for
A brand new flight crew. Some Mandalorian will brief you on your mission.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Now, as you go forth, my friends, I want to remind you to be careful. Safety first. Well, profit first, but safety's a close second. I want to make sure you and the cargo get back with no mishaps. Oh dear, that sounded like a mishap. R5, what is going on? A power fluctuation in the main hangar generator? That's impossible. I had all those components checked personally. Okay, my friends. This is what we in the business call a power failure. But it is no cause for concern, as we have systems in place to deal with this sort of thing. R5, tell me we have systems in place to deal with this sort of thing. Yes, of course, the emergency power supply. Just what I was about to suggest. 2 minutes. 2 minutes? Why? What are we supposed to do until then? Stand around in the dark like a cave full of minox? I have to tell you, this is not typical for Onaka Transport Solutions. We are professionals, held to the highest authority. This sort of thing never happens around here. Really? It happens twice a day? Just follow the crew member, my friends, and I assure you, everything else on today's mission will go perfectly.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
And remember to mute lights quickly, because that's what I kept having to deal with the last time.
So, Harley, this is the button we press, okay? And just keep pressing it.
Alright, pilots, holding those yellow tabs together, please. You, McDonald's and the yellow tabs. Engineers and the yellow tabs together. Alright, press those flashing buttons. Good luck.
Okay, my friends, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot, make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Hondo wants crates. Practice on bees. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate the retractor beam. Nice work on the retractor beam.
Right here.
Gunners, take out those scouts. Nice shot, gunners. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. From the plan, we'll catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Right engineer, launch the home beacons. on the phone 1. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Left engineer. Pick our destination. Fast. Endor. Let's see what we find. Grogu, buckle up. Just at light speed. The Death Star. Our bounty's trying to hide. Pilots head into the wreckage, but beyond. It's okay, kid. You're safe with me.
There you go. Good job. Right here, right here, right here.
They clocked us. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Engineers, grab the crate for the attractor beam. Guys, you're up. Stay on target.
Engineers, on the crates to reality.
Stay off the comms and knock out. You're not gonna make it. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Nice fly. Grogu, open the hatch. Retrieving the bounty. Now. Time to fly back to it. We're caught in a tractor beam. We have to get out of here. Gunners, release the torpedo. Now. Great shot. Let's head out before there's any more surprises. Make a jump to light speed. Your hyperdrive failed. Watch out. We're nearing the end of the belt. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Look at all these crates. You are skilled smugglers indeed. Perhaps you will plan more missions for Holdo. Oh no! What did you do to my ship? Okay, crew, now let's wrap this up. Quickly!